First, make sure you have VS Code installed and go to your file, select open folder and just create a folder. In this case, I already have a folder open. Once you're inside the folder, make sure you go to setting and go to extensions. Here, you have to type Cline. The first search result is the one that you have to install. For me, I already have it inside my VS Code. So for you, you will have the install button. Just click install. Once you install, you will have a icon on the left sidebar. Just click on the icon. To set up, go to your client setting here, and you will see we have plan mode and also act mode. I will explain later what each of these features do, but first you have to select your API provider. It can be OpenRouter, Google Gemini, Deepseek, OpenAI, and many more. For me, I personally prefer OpenRouter. I will show you how to access free models using the OpenRouter. So go to your browser, go to this link. I will provide this link in the description. Once you're inside the link, make sure to create an account for the very first time. As a first-time user, you have to create an account. I already have an account. So once you have the account, you're going to go to this key. Once you're inside the key, you're just going to come here and you're just going to type your API key. I'm just going to name the key by coding. So for other, you just leave it as it is. Default setting is okay. Just click on create and copy your API key and go to your client and just paste it over here. So now you're sorted with the API key. Now, this is the important one. You're going to select your model. Again, go back to the home page, go to the models. Now inside, once you are in the model, you will find all the available models that you can use using the OpenRouter. This is the best thing about using the OpenRouter. You have access to multiple models from multiple provider. So you can access to OpenAI models, you can access to Gemini model, you can access to Deepseek, Qwen, many. So what you have to do is come to sort, pricing, select low to high. Once you select it, you will find all the free models available. So you just have to select one. For example, I selected Deepseek, the new version of Deepseek. This is free. So you just copy from here the name and you're just going to paste it. So for planning mode, you are all done. For act mode, once you set up for the API provider, it will work for both, but you have to choose model for both. So for I can choose another model. For example, this Qwen model I can choose. So I pick this Qwen model, and what I'm going to do, just going to paste over here, and this is done. Once you're done with all those things, now you can come over here and you can click all these buttons. You can apply, enable auto approves, read the project files, edit the project files, execute step command, use the browser. Cline will automatically access your browser and open whatever web project you're working on. One special feature that makes Cline better in some cases compared to other models like Cursor and Claude is that it offers you plan and act mode. In the plan mode, your AI model is going to collect all the requirements, plan everything, how to build a website, how to solve this problem, and so on. And inside the act mode, your AI model is actually going to code for you. So when you're inside the plan mode, the best thing is to use a thinking model. So in this case, I'm using Deepseek. Deepseek is a really good thinking model, and I'm using the free version, right? So once you're inside the plan mode, you just use a thinking model, and once inside the act mode, you use a coding mode like Gemini 2.5 Flash, GPT-5, and so on. Okay, let's try to use the client. Make sure you're inside the plan mode. Paste your prompt. Here in this case, I'm just going to ask client, I want to build a portfolio website using React and Tailwind CSS. So once you're inside the plan mode, make sure you're using a thinking model. In this case, I'm using Deepseek. So just going to enter, and it's going to access the model and it will start working on it. Sometimes you might get error. Just click on retry or try to switch between other models, because sometimes there will be heavy traffic, so it might get some error. And here you have some nice details: how many tokens you're using, prompt tokens, completion tokens, as well as how much you are spending. For example, you're using some paid, you have credits and you're using some paid models like Claude, Gemini, others. Our code already planned out everything. So it has planned out project structure, components, technical stack, animation, question. So everything has been planned out. Now we can move to act mode. Now our Qwen model will be in action. Qwen is really good for coding, so I set Qwen for the act mode. Now it's just starting its work, and we're just going to give it some permission. Now we will only wait, and I will show you the final result when it's done. This is what I was talking about. Sometimes you might get error. Just click on retry, because there will be many requests coming in for a certain model that it will unable to get the API request done. So just click on retry. If it's again gives you error or you get multiple errors, then you can switch the models with others available models. So as you can see, my project is done. And Cline has given me the updated files and so on, and you can also come here and see like what Cline has done. It has completed all these steps it has already completed. Here you can see the prompt token and also completion tokens. Now let's check what our client has given us. So this is already running on the local host. So this is the website Cline has built for us, just with a single prompt. I remember I just gave it a single prompt and it did all the fix. If it found any error, it fixes by itself and give me this complete version of a portfolio website. And you can see it's really good and everything is working. Let's see like how responsive this is. So yeah, it's very responsive as well. Wow, mobile view is also working really well, very responsive as well. So it's really good. So this, with a single prompt, I was able to build this amazing website using Cline, and this is for free.